Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video I will be reviewing CurlsCurls, which is a hair company. They sent me their Burmese curly 20-inch unit, and this is how it looks. Now this unit, as you guys can see, it came with bangs, so this is something that's actually really new to me. I actually never done a wig that had curls as bangs, so yeah, this is something different for me. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Yeah, this is just something different for me. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, but I do want to go ahead and show you guys the boxing. As I do love the boxing, as you guys know, black is my favorite color. So in the boxing, you guys, it of course gives the website, and then also it says CurlsCurls.com, CurlsCurls, and then it also gives you their Instagram and all of that. And of course this is a pamphlet. They are letting you know how to daily maintain the hair, can you color the hair, how to keep the hair from getting frizzy, you know, stuff like that. I actually want to look at this later, how to keep this hair from getting frizzy, because I could definitely see this hair getting frizzy. And you guys, I am really loving my nails. My nails are so cute. These are long square, so I did want to go ahead and do something different. I rarely do long square. I don't even think I've done long square before. Yeah, so this is something new for me. But as you guys know, I no longer go to the nail shop. I do press-ons now. Press-ons are definitely more easier to maintain. It saves you money, and I feel like you're getting the exact shape you want without having to like argue with anybody or walking out of a salon and, you know, basically just not feeling like you got the design you wanted or got the shape you actually wanted, showing them a picture and just not getting what you're looking for. So the nails I have on today is from Brianna Marie Artistry. That is her Instagram, and that's also her Etsy. I will have all of her information in the description box for you guys, and it's also at the bottom here. I was looking for nails that were like really, you know, classy, because I'm not sure if you guys know, I don't do too much when it comes to like nails. It's crazy that I'm actually even wearing this length, but I feel like as long as they're like, you know, real classy, and you know, the nail is just like either like a nude or it's like a white abstract type of, you know, type of thing, which is what I'm really into. I feel like there's nothing wrong with the length that I have. I've actually seen longer than this and it looks crazy, but I feel like this length is okay for me. But yes, I really love the French tip type of look, and it goes with anything. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the overall packaging of this unit. She did package this really nice for me, and you guys will also see that she also did package the nails really neat. Of course, when you get press-on nails, you get a set of 10, which is good. You also let them know what size you're needing, which I do usually wear a medium. My hands are small, but they're not, my fingers are small, but they're not too small, so I usually wear a medium. So if you guys are looking for nails that are really classy, also, you know, she has nails that have different, you know, colors and designs, of course, so you get the best of both worlds. But also, if you're, you know, looking for something classy, she is definitely the one to go ahead and shop with. So again, all of her information will be in the description box, you guys. I'm really happy about my nails. These are like one of my best sets right now. Like, I really love it. The only thing that I had a little bit of an issue with was the pinky nail. The pinky nail was slightly just a little bit smaller, but that's fine. Every other nail turned out just fine. So as far as the nails, you guys, you really want to be careful, because you could chip the nail. I did chip a little bit of my nail at the top, but I did go ahead and file it down, so it was just fine. But just to let you guys know, be very careful, because you can chip these nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I stated before, you guys know I love my press-on nails, so I will have all of that information so you guys can go ahead and check out her and shop with her. I'm telling you guys, it's definitely well worth it. Now let's just jump right into this install, you guys. Like I stated before, this is a quick and easy install. This unit, all you really have to do is put it over your head. They didn't give me a wig cap or anything, which I can of course understand, because maybe they're feeling like, you know, she can just throw the wig on her head. But I did have my own wig cap, and I decided to go ahead and just put that on and then put on the wig, just so I could protect my hair. So I did notice that they also put an adjustable strap inside of the wig so that it could fit more, you know, basically to my head. So I really can appreciate that. This wig definitely does feel like it's secure on my head. I think I made it just a little bit too tight. But just so you guys know, they do have those adjustable straps, and then they also do have the elastic band that they did put on just to get more security. So whether you're a bigger head girl, smaller head girl, you won't have any issues. Now, as far as this hair goes, I didn't really want to do too much as far as putting gel in it or putting any type of mousse, because this is like a different type of curly. Again, this is a Burmese curly. So the wig, I wouldn't say it's too crazy or anything. It's not getting too frizzy right now. Again, I'm not really sure how this hair is going to do throughout the day, so we'll see. I didn't put any type of product in it. All I did was just put water in it, and actually laid down just fine. I actually wouldn't know what other type of hairstyle to do with this. I could probably do an updo with this unit, depending on how I feel, and maybe like do some type of bun or something, but I'm not really sure, considering the fact that this unit doesn't have any type of lace or anything. But just to let you guys know, again, this is a quick and easy install. You really don't have to do much with this unit, and this unit is also very affordable, guys. It starts at $135, which I think is very affordable for this unit. Now, again, this unit is 20 inches, you guys. I would have liked to see this unit in a longer length though. I don't know, just because with it being like a unit that has bangs, I definitely would have liked this hair to be just a little bit longer, just to give it more oomph. But this is their 20 inch, you guys, and it looks really nice. Now, I didn't dye the unit or anything either. I was gonna dye this unit because this unit is more so like a little bit on the brown side, but I didn't have any dye, and then I had other things, you know, that I had to get together for this video. I had to make sure the setup was everything. As you guys can see, this is a whole new setup. I'm actually doing a makeover in my room, a makeover in the living room. So yeah, it's a lot of new things that you guys will be seeing. I really like this setup. I hope you guys like this setup as well. Let me know what you think. But this unit is definitely growing on me a little bit. The more and more I sit here and, you know, show you guys this unit, it's growing on me a little bit. It's definitely giving me a little Rick James, but but that's okay, because she's still cute, and you know, I made sure my makeup was on point. I feel like I spent so much time doing my eyebrows, you guys, and you're not gonna even see them. So, but yeah, I may go ahead and just do a bun in it a little later, but I'm really loving how this looks right now. But I'm telling you guys, I feel like if this unit was longer, I definitely feel like it would have gave me just a little bit more of a look that I was looking for. Now, this unit has no tangling, no shedding or anything. Like I stated, you guys, you would just throw this wig on. This is like an everyday, I don't know if it's an everyday type of wig for me, but this is one of those units that you could definitely just throw on your head when you're trying to just get up and go to the grocery store, go shopping, you know, something really cute and quick. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to come back on camera and show you guys my bun, because I did decide to throw it in a bun. So this is how it's looking, just so you guys can see. As far as this unit goes, you guys, I will have everything in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I know you guys are not used to seeing me with these type of units, a curly wig with bangs. You guys are not used to seeing that, so just let me know what you guys think of this unit. I definitely feel like it's something different, but I definitely feel like it's cute. It definitely fits my face. Yeah, this is cute. This is different, but it's really cute. And let me know what you guys think about this setup. I changed the bedding in my room. I got rid of those pink and whitish pictures. I had like pink all over my room, you guys, and I'm not even into pink. You know, I'm looking on Pinterest right now, and I'm trying to find, you know, different looks of like nudes and whites and stuff like that. And I'm really iffy about white sometimes, but you know what? I definitely will wear white. I don't care if it's after Labor Day. I don't care about none of that. I really like white, but it's just hard to keep it clean. So hopefully with this bedding, this new bedding that I got and everything, I'm trying to keep everything looking really nice. So hopefully I can. I do have some new stuff that I'm gonna show you guys. My boyfriend is gonna go ahead and set up my shelves for my wall, so I'm excited about that. I have a new setup where I moved my vanity. So yeah, new things coming, you guys. I told you 2022, I'm coming for it. Okay, we got goals and everything that we trying to reach. So, and that's definitely gonna be a new makeover for my bedroom. So I'm very, very excited, and I'm really happy about this new setup, you guys. I'm really, really happy about this setup. So this will be the end of this video today, you guys. Let me know in the comments below, you guys, what you think of the new setup. Also, let me know what you guys think about my press-ons. I do want to show you guys more and more of my press-ons, so you will see that more and more in my videos. Again, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update.